Fantini saws. The machinery you see on the screen is highly popular at stone mining sites. It's produced by the Italian company Fantini. There is a huge number of models of different capacities and sizes. Some use chainsaws and others bow saws. There are even models for tunnels and places with limited space. The 70BUC is a self-propelled machine moving on caterpillar tracks. It's able to cut the material vertically. It can be equipped to cut stone up to 4 meters deep. The hydraulic stabilization legs give the machine extra stability. The main advantage of the 70BUC is that it can move through the quarry on its own. When making cuts and sawing out squares, the machine does not use water, which is also an advantage. Another model is the Turner Fantini, mounted on a JCB tractor. The 4 wheels allow the tractor to move, significantly expanding the range of operation. This saw processes stone blocks on the ground, even if they are in different parts of the quarry. The video shows just how easy it is to cut hard materials such as marble and limestone. Handle robot. Engineering company Boston Dynamics has been surprising the world with its achievements in the field of robotics for many years. One of their creations is Handle, a robot that was presented in 2017. At that time, this 2-meter-tall robot had already demonstrated its impressive capabilities. Handle could reach speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour and overcome obstacles. Despite its size, the machine had no difficulty balancing, even moving on an uneven surface. Handle could easily lift objects weighing up to 45 kilograms with its front limbs too. It's been 3 years since then, and the engineers keep improving their creation. In late March this year, they showed the new capabilities of the machine. This latest model lost its arms, but now has a suction cup. The video shows Handle using it to lift boxes and carefully move them from one place to another. The robot weighs 105 kilograms, and it's able to lift loads weighing up to 15 kilograms. This robot is designed for working in the warehouse. Computer vision allows the machine to analyze the space around it, searching for objects and finding places for storage. The Ag Cormorant. In August 2018, it was announced that agricultural workers would soon have a special assistant when Israeli companies Tactical Robotics Limited and Adama revealed their unmanned aerial vehicle. It was named the Ag Cormorant. The engineers spent years adjusting the equipment for agricultural use. The device is based on another drone developed by these companies, designed to carry wounded soldiers from the battlefield. This drone was modified. For example, the stern was equipped with pipes and nozzles for spraying pesticides. It can take off and land vertically, which means there's no need to spend money on a runway to use it. Traditionally, the farm fields are treated manually or using ground equipment. The Ag Cormorant will increase the working speed. The spraying tubes are foldable too, so that the drone can be transported by small trucks. The maximum load capacity of the machine is 500 kilograms or 764 kilograms if you count the fuel. Quick Cut. There are two traditional ways of harvesting herbaceous plants: cutting each plant by hand or using expensive and cumbersome equipment. That's the reason why small agricultural enterprises need an inexpensive, effective alternative, and it is here. This is QuickCut, a compact mobile herb harvesting machine. Using it, one person can do the same amount of work as 3 or 4 people without it. The capacity of the machine is 80 kilograms per hour. Another advantage is that the device cuts the plants more evenly than people do. The design is quite simple. A rolling macrame brush gently pulls the individual leaves into the blade and then throws them into the basket. The brush is powered by a standard drill placed on the side. Contact with the blade is minimized, which makes QuickCut very safe. The cost of the device is $560. PR100. Industrial-scale production requires powerful equipment. This is the only way to manufacture products quickly enough and in the right quantities to be profitable. The PR100 is a commercial juicer designed to increase productivity. It optimally combines a compact size, a great performance, and a reasonable price to allow even small companies to afford it. The equipment uses a rotating metal disc to cut fruits and vegetables. The holes you see will shred the pulp too. Careless use of such a device can result in serious injury though. That's why the pipe is so long, to keep your hands as far from the blade as possible while the equipment is in operation. Surprisingly, the juice press has enough power to juice a whole unpeeled pineapple. To prevent the vegetables from getting stuck, the worker pushes them closer to the blade with a special press, again keeping your hands far from the sharpest parts. When the vegetables and fruits are shredded, the second stage of production begins. The pulp collected in the bag then undergoes a pressing cycle. The press applies 14 tons of force to squeeze out the liquid. The video shows how 9 kilograms of fruit and vegetables produce almost 7.5 liters of juice. The remaining pulp is almost completely dry, which means that absolutely everything that was inside the products was squeezed out. LizuWash 360. These days, a car can be cleaned without using manual labor. Of course, this is possible at car washes that use equipment like the LizuWash 360 that revolutionize the market of contactless automatic car washes. The equipment can apply a detergent solution and then wash the car's surface with high-pressure water jets. It then applies an active foam, a layer of wax, and even dries the vehicle. The whole washing process doesn't take more than 3 minutes. That's 5 times faster than normal. Therefore, the device is capable of washing from 10 to 16 cars per hour. The equipment uses the resources efficiently too. As a result, water and electricity consumption at the facility is reduced by up to 60%. A manipulator with 18 integrated nozzles is used for water and detergent supply. It rotates 360 degrees, ensuring that the car is perfectly clean on all sides. The LizuWash 360 does not require any maintenance staff either. The program itself is able to calculate the amount of work done and the revenue, and the payment is made through a terminal. This wonderful machine was designed by Chinese engineers. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.